Hello, my name is Nora. Welcome to the Freeing Rhythm channel where you can learn, experience, and create. Today's video is going to be about how to achieve your long-term goal. I'll share the 5 steps of how to achieve your long-term goal with an example, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. So, what is a long-term goal? A long-term goal is something you want to accomplish in the long future. It will require full understanding of its purpose and requirements. Also, it will require great planning, hard work, discipline, time, and sacrifice. So, how do you achieve your long-term goal? Number 1, you need to figure out what is it that you want to accomplish. Be specific and realistic. Number 2, why you want to accomplish it. You need to acknowledge and believe in your purpose. Number 3, what's required to accomplish your goal. Find out all the requirements. Number 4, how will you accomplish your goal? Make a plan with a timeline. Create a step-by-step guide with timeline for when you'll accomplish each step of it. And number 5, you need to implement action. You need to ask yourself, are you willing to put in the work and sacrifice for your long-term goal? Can you afford paying the cost with your time, effort, and sacrifice? So, what do you want to accomplish? What's your long-term goal? A lot of the times we don't even know exactly what we want. So, figure out exactly what you want with vivid details. Be as specific as possible. You can even research to find out if what you want actually exists or possible to attain. You can't really just ask for a flying monkey and expect to get it. Make sure what you want follows the SMART acronym, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, for a long-term goal, let's say you want to buy a house. How does this house look like? Be specific. Let's say you want a house with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a backyard, and a garage. And you want it to be 3 floors with the bedrooms on the 3rd floor, living room and kitchen on the 2nd floor, and a finished basement on the 1st floor. And let's also say that you want it to be renovated or mostly renovated. So then you can search to see if there's any houses with this description and whether it's possible to attain it. And then you can find out the area you want to move to, how much it will cost, all the fees, etc. Number 2, why do you want to accomplish this goal? Figuring out your why will push you to achieve your long-term goal. Your why will give you purpose and will motivate you to never surrender or give up, despite any obstacles you might face on your journey. Figure out why it's important that you accomplish this goal, why it's critical that you keep going, even if it doesn't seem possible in the beginning. Just write your why down and make it your conviction. And purpose. Following the example mentioned in the first step, why do you want to buy a house? Let's say you want to invest your money instead of spending it or giving it to renters. Also, you want to be a house owner so that you have more power of how you live in your house. So you can make your own rules and not having to follow someone else's. For example, if you want to paint your room red, you'll have the power to do so. Also, you want to have a family and you want to provide a nice place for them where they don't have to worry about moving a lot. Whatever is your why, just believe in it and make it your purpose, because your why will push you to achieve your goal. Number 3, you need to figure out what's required to accomplish your goal. Once you do your research, you'll find out that there are certain things that are required to be able to do what you want to do. Every goal has a set of requirements or a cost that will require time, effort, and sacrifice. Going back to the example mentioned previously, what's required from you to be able to buy a house? According to research or common knowledge, you will need to pay a down payment. You will need to have no debt or very little debt. You will need an income that's suitable for your mortgage. And you have to have good credit. Number 4, how will you accomplish this long-term goal? You will need to create a plan with a step-by-step guide and a timeline for each step. Creating a guide will be very helpful for your journey. It will give you a sense of knowing that it's possible to achieve this goal, which makes it more tangible, believable, and more realistic. It will be your map for your path. Then you can create tasks within tasks for this goal and log it on your calendar for each day, week, month, and year. If your goal requires more than 1 year, you can have a rough estimate for each year and rearrange it accordingly at the beginning of each year. Also, be open to modifications as you go. Following the previous example, let's say you want to buy a house in 3 years from now. To plan achieving this goal, let's say you need to get rid of your debt in the first year, which you can do by increasing your income and saving. You can increase your income by working 2 jobs or doing freelance work in addition to your full-time job. Also, you can invest. You can save by cutting down on all the unnecessary purchases and spending money on outings or clothes, etc. In the second year, you can work on saving for the down payment while improving your credit score. Third year, you can do the same. You can continue to save for the down payment while improving your credit score until you acquire the full down payment. Then you can start to look for houses and buy the house you wanted. In order to do all this, however, you'll have to make it part of your lifestyle. You have to work hard, invest, cut down on your expenses and unnecessary purchases, and sacrifice not going out as much or buying food and cooking it at home instead. You can do it for 3 years and then you'll be able to buy a house and achieve your long-term goal. By making these goals tasks part of your lifestyle on a daily basis until you achieve your goal, you'll be successful in reaching this goal and any goal that you want to achieve. Number 5, you need to ask yourself this question. Are you willing to put in the work and make the sacrifice? You need to understand that achieving a long-term goal will take a long time. It won't happen tomorrow, in a week, a month, or even a year. It actually requires a lot of time, effort, and sacrifice. You need to act and put in the work. Then you need to integrate this long-term goal into your everyday life until you accomplish it. Also, it's taught in psychology that there is no such thing as a free lunch in life. Everything in life has a cost. Every decision you make or don't make has a cost. If you plant seeds, you'll harvest crops. If you don't plant anything, weed will take over your land. So it's up to you how your life turns out. You can't keep doing the same thing over and over and expect different results. Make the sacrifice now so that you can achieve your goal later. If you don't make the sacrifices now, your goal will be nothing but a dream, and you'll suffer more in the end. To accomplish all of this, you will need to build a strong will and discipline. It's possible to build great discipline by overcoming temptations and distractions, and by staying focused on your journey. There will be a video on discipline soon, so make sure to check it out. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And share it with someone who might benefit from it today. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.